Hello friends, welcome to Testing Shala YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to focus on all about defect. What is all about defect or what is all about bug? I'm going to discuss in detail about defect or a bug. So let's understand what is all about defect. If anything, a project or an application, application or an project, if it is not behaving as expected, that means if the product is not implemented as per the requirements, then there is an issue in the system, in the application or product. Hence this is called as a defect or a bug. As per the requirement it is not implemented, then any issues is come out of this application or a product, we will write as a defect or a bug. So let's understand, any application or any product can have as many as defects. I could see, at least in my experiences, in a given releases, the defect count, it has gone up to 5,000 defect per release. It's a huge a defect list which we'll have to manage being a tester. Proper reporting mechanism, because when you're talking about even 500 or 1000 defects, tracking those defects is not very easy. So hence you should make use of defect management tool. Defect management tool is very much needed. Otherwise, managing these defects and routing the defects to the development team, again once fix it and again routes back to the testing team, without defect management is a very cumbersome efforts. Just managing in Excel is a very old process, so nobody is just now using Excel based tracking the. So I hope you understood what is all about defect and what is all about bug. It is one and the same word which we are interchangeably using, defect or a bug. So let's understand, when you're raising a defect, what all the information you will be normally providing. When you are raising a defect, so what all the information you will be logging when you are giving that information. So let's say, so you will be logging the defect with the title, that is one where title is crisp and clear, where you will be giving all the information at least in a single line, so that if someone reads that one line, they should be able to understand what is this defect all about. Then you will be adding a step to reproduce. So here you clearly give out all the step to reproduce, how to reproduce this issue. So you will also be giving environment details. So you'll be giving the environment details. Let's environment details could be your Windows server where your application is being testing out here, or it could be mobile devices against which devices you are testing this feature, or browsers, what combinations of browser you are testing it. All the details will be providing as part of the defect logging mechanism. So once this is done, so you will be identifying the severity of the defect, whether severity could be S1, S2, S3 based on the impact of the defect. So we'll be giving a severity of the defect as well, and again you will be giving a priority. Priority is normally given by the tester, and severity would be given by developer. So will also be given against which requirement or module you are logging this defect. you are logging this defect. That is one you are going to provide, and also you will be providing in which phase of the testing this issue has been injected. Let's say when you're doing unit testing, if this defect is injected, then we'll be logging a defect as a phase injected as a unit testing. In the same way, if you have found out the issue in the integration testing, then you'll be making as a integration testing as a phase found, or it could be system testing. When you are performing system testing, when your phase is found under this phase, you'll call it as a system testing. In the same way, so we'll also be adding in which phase this issue has been inducted. Again, it is in the same, either it is in the coding phase, it is this defect has been injected, whether it is in testing phase, you injected this issue. So you'll be giving injected the phase. Here it is more of a detected phase when we are detected this issue. So detected phase, this injected or detected phase can be any phases which we are talking about. It could be requirement gathering phase, or requirement high level design phase, or it could be detailed design phase, or it could be coding, or it could be builder deployment, or it could be testing phase, then followed by maintenance. It can be any of these phases the defect might be injected. Hence you will be giving that information also when you are logging the defect. That would track complete history of a defect. I hope you understood in detail what is all about a defect, what are the tools you will be required to handle the defects, and when you are logging a defect, what are the information you will be giving as part of the defect logging. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you are visiting first time Testing Shala YouTube channel, then please click on subscribe button and bell notification so that all our future videos related to software testing will be in your inbox. That would help you to enhance your testing skills. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now. Take care.